Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
Eurozone inflation may have peaked, but will subside so slowly that it could be years before it gets back to the European Central Bank's 2% target, keeping pressure on the ECB to tighten policy well into 2023. Signature Bank will shrink its deposits tied to cryptocurrencies by $8 billion to $10 billion, signalling a move away from the digital asset industry for the bank that until recently had been one of the most crypto-friendly companies on Wall Street. The dollar crept higher as top executives from the biggest US banks warned of an impending recession, which dampened risk appetite and kept the greenback supported. The euro rose 0.3% against the dollar in the last trading session. The ROC's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair dove 2.8% in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an oversold market. The gold gained 0.8% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The dollar dipped a slight 0.2% against the yen in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The US continuing jobless claims will be released at 13:30 GMT. Japan's Eco-Watchers survey outlook at 0500 hours GMT. The UK's RICS housing price balance at 0 hours and 1 minute GMT. The Dutch Consumer Price Index will be released at 0530 GMT. Australia's exports at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Australia's trade balance at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.